You're over 60 and starting to feel your strength slipping away. Don't panic. You've just discovered something most people never learn in time. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle, doesn't have to be your future. And the solution may already be sitting in your kitchen. You're incredibly fortunate to be here because most seniors struggle with muscle loss in silence, never realizing that the right foods can actually slow it down or even reverse it. I'm Dr. Thomas Reed, and in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the 10 most powerful, science-backed foods that can stop sarcopenia in its tracks. They're senior-friendly, easy to prepare, and simple to add to your daily meals. So let's begin, because the sooner you fuel your muscles, the longer they'll keep you strong and independent. Number 10, eggs. Let's begin with the most powerful muscle-building food on the planet, eggs. If your muscles could choose just one food every single day, they'd choose eggs, no hesitation. Each whole egg packs 6 grams of complete protein, meaning it delivers every amino acid your muscles need to repair and grow stronger. But here's what makes eggs truly special: leucine. Think of leucine as the ignition key that starts your muscle-building engine. As we age, our muscles become more resistant to growth, but leucine tells them it's time to rebuild. Now, here's where many people go wrong: tossing out the yolk. Big mistake. The yolk is loaded with vitamin D, a nutrient your muscles can't function without. Without it, your muscles stay weak and unresponsive, no matter how much protein you eat. For best results, aim for 2 to 3 whole eggs daily. Cook them gently, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled on low heat to protect their delicate proteins. Enjoy them with whole-grain toast at breakfast, or slice a hard-boiled egg into your afternoon salad. The beauty of eggs is how quickly they work. Within hours, your muscles start absorbing a steady stream of amino acids to fuel the rebuilding process. That's why eggs should always be your first line of defense against muscle loss. Number 9, Greek yogurt. Our second muscle-building powerhouse takes the rebuilding process even further: Greek yogurt. Think of it as a muscle-building lab in a single cup. Just one serving delivers around 20 grams of protein. That's more than 3 eggs worth of muscle fuel. What makes Greek yogurt extraordinary for aging muscles is its dual protein system. Contains both whey and casein. Whey acts fast, flooding your muscles with amino acids right away. Casein works slowly, releasing protein over several hours. Together, they create a steady stream of muscle-building power, exactly what older muscles need. You see, as we age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein. But by combining fast-acting and slow-acting proteins, Greek yogurt keeps your muscles in growth mode for hours after eating. And it doesn't stop there. Greek yogurt also provides calcium and vitamin D in forms your body can easily absorb. Calcium helps your muscles contract properly, while vitamin D supports strength and balance, 2 things many seniors struggle with. For the best results, choose plain Greek yogurt instead of flavored version. Number 8, salmon. Our third muscle-building champion brings something your aging muscles desperately need: salmon and other fatty fish. A simple 4-ounce serving of salmon delivers 25 grams of complete protein, more than enough to fuel muscle repair. But what truly sets salmon apart are its omega-3 fatty acids. As we age, our muscles develop low-grade chronic inflammation. Think of it as a brake that slows down your ability to build new muscle, even when you eat protein or exercise. The omega-3s in salmon, especially EPA and DHA, help release that brake, allowing your muscles to function more like they did when you were younger. Breakthrough studies even show that omega-3s can restore the muscle-building response in older adults to levels closer to much younger people. In other words, salmon doesn't just give you protein. It helps your body use protein more effectively. Salmon is also one of the rare natural food sources of vitamin D. Many seniors unknowingly suffer from vitamin D deficiency, which can cut muscle strength by as much as 25%. Just 2 servings of salmon per week can make a significant difference. For the best results, choose wild-caught salmon, which usually contains more omega-3s and fewer contaminants than farmed salmon. If fresh salmon isn't always an option, don't worry. Canned salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, and even tuna are excellent, budget-friendly choices that provide the same muscle-protecting benefits. With salmon and other fatty fish on your plate, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're giving them the tools to rebuild and stay strong for years to come. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Our fifth muscle-building food might look ordinary, but don't underestimate it. Cottage cheese is actually one of the smartest foods you can add to your diet for rebuilding muscle. Just 1 cup packs 28 grams of protein, making it one of the most protein-dense foods available. But what makes cottage cheese truly special is its unique protein structure. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and delivers a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles for up to 7 hours. This slow release is especially important for seniors, because your muscles need a constant supply of amino acids to stay in rebuilding mode. That's why cottage cheese is perfect as a bedtime snack. While you sleep, your body repairs itself. Having cottage cheese before bed ensures your muscles get the nutrition they need through the night, preventing the silent muscle breakdown that many older adults experience during sleep. Cottage cheese is also loaded with calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that keep your muscles contracting and functioning properly. The calcium here is particularly well absorbed because it's paired with protein and other nutrients that help your body use it more efficiently. A big advantage since calcium absorption naturally declines with age. The best part? Cottage cheese is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it straight from the cup, mix it with berries for natural sweetness, or use it as a base for dips. For maximum benefit, try a bowl of cottage cheese with a little fruit before bed. This combination gives you slow-digesting protein plus a touch of carbohydrate to help your body use that protein even better. Whenever possible, choose full-fat cottage cheese. The extra calories and fat-soluble vitamins can be especially helpful for seniors who are underweight or have trouble absorbing nutrients. Number 6. Quinoa. Our 6th muscle-building champion adds something different to your plate: quinoa, the ancient grain that acts like a complete protein powerhouse. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is special because it contains all 9 essential amino acids in the right balance, making it one of the rare plant-based complete proteins. 1 cup of cooked quinoa gives you about 8 grams of protein. But here's the real magic. Quinoa combines protein with complex carbohydrates, which helps shuttle amino acids directly into your muscle cells. This means the protein you eat becomes far more effective at rebuilding muscle. Quinoa is also exceptionally rich in magnesium, a mineral that many seniors lack without even knowing it. Magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in the body, including protein synthesis, muscle contraction, and energy production. Without enough magnesium, your muscles struggle to contract properly, and the rebuilding process slows dramatically. That's why quinoa is especially valuable for seniors who often feel weak, cramp easily, or experience muscle fatigue during activity. On top of that, quinoa delivers iron and B vitamins, 2 nutrients that power your muscles with energy. Iron carries oxygen to your muscles, while B vitamins help convert food into usable fuel, so you can stay active and strong. The best part? Quinoa is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a warm breakfast porridge with milk and fruit, toss it into salads at lunch, or serve it as a hearty side dish with dinner. Just be sure to rinse it thoroughly before cooking to remove its natural coating, which can taste bitter. For maximum muscle-building benefit, pair quinoa with one of the other protein sources we've already covered. Try it with scrambled eggs in the morning, or serve it alongside salmon in the evening for a nutrient-packed meal that keeps your muscles rebuilding around the clock. Number 5. Lentils and legume. Continuing our journey through plant-based muscle builders, lentils and their legume cousins, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, are some of the most underrated muscle-building foods for seniors. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides 18 grams of protein, along with a wealth of nutrients that support muscle health in ways you might not expect. While legumes aren't complete proteins on their own, they are rich in leucine, an amino acid often missing from grains. That's why classic pairings like rice and beans or hummus with pita bread are so nutritionally smart. They create a complete protein that rivals animal sources. Lentils are particularly high in folate, a B vitamin essential for cell division and protein synthesis. As we age, our ability to absorb folate declines, yet our need for it increases because folate is necessary for building new muscle cells. By including lentils in your diet, you give your body the tools it needs to create new muscle tissue from the protein you consume. Lentils are also a great source of iron, providing about 37% of your daily needs per cup. While this non-heme iron isn't absorbed as easily as the iron in meat, pairing lentils with vitamin C-rich foods, like tomatoes, bell peppers, or citrus, dramatically improves absorption. Legumes supply potassium, which is vital for proper muscle contraction and preventing cramps. Many seniors don't get enough potassium, which can contribute to weakness and fatigue. The potassium in legumes helps your muscles function efficiently and recover faster after activity. Another overlooked benefit is the fiber in legumes. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes that can interfere with muscle building. Stable blood sugar also supports hormone production, including growth hormone and IGF-1, both crucial for muscle development. Finally, legumes are convenient and budget-friendly. Dried lentils cook quickly without soaking, perfect for busy seniors. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. From the protein-packed legumes, we move on to some of nature's most concentrated muscle builders. Nuts and seeds. These small but mighty foods deliver an incredible nutritional punch that can significantly boost your muscle-building efforts. What makes nuts and seeds so valuable is their unique combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals, all working together to support optimal muscle function. Almonds are a standout, offering 6 grams of protein per ounce, along with vitamin E, magnesium, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your muscle cells from damage during exercise and recovery. As we age, muscles become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, making the antioxidant power of almonds especially important. Pumpkin seeds are another powerhouse, providing 9 grams of protein per ounce, along with high levels of zinc and magnesium. Zinc is critical for seniors because deficiency can impair muscle building and testosterone production. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds covers about 23% of your daily zinc needs. Chia seeds and flax seeds bring a special edge with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and complete proteins. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 4 grams of complete protein with all essential amino acids. These tiny seeds also expand in liquid, keeping you full while providing sustained energy. Walnuts are unique for their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3. While not as strong as the omega-3s in fish, ALA helps reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. For seniors dealing with joint discomfort or muscle inflammation, walnuts can be particularly beneficial. Portion control is key. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so a typical serving is 1 ounce or a small handful. This provides plenty of nutrition without overdoing calories. Try adding a variety of nuts and seeds to your meals. Sprinkle them on Greek yogurt, toss them into salads. Number 2. Sweet potatoes. While nuts and seeds provide concentrated nutrition, our 9th muscle-building food plays a different but equally vital role: sweet potatoes. Although sweet potatoes aren't high in protein themselves, they are essential for maximizing the muscle-building potential of the protein-rich foods we've discussed. Here's why sweet potatoes are so important. They provide high-quality carbohydrates, which are your muscles' preferred energy source. Without enough carbohydrates, your body may break down the protein from your meals for energy instead of using it to build muscle. Sweet potatoes prevent this by delivering sustained energy through complex carbs that are absorbed gradually, keeping your blood sugar stable and avoiding spikes or crashes that can interfere with muscle growth. This steady energy also helps optimize hormone production, including insulin, which plays a key role in driving amino acids into your muscle cells. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for protein synthesis and muscle growth. Many seniors don't get enough vitamin A, making sweet potatoes a vital addition. Cooking them with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or nuts, enhances beta-carotene absorption. They're also a powerhouse for potassium, even exceeding bananas in content. Potassium supports proper muscle contraction and helps prevent cramps, a common issue for seniors. Sweet potatoes provide vitamin C, too, which boosts iron absorption from plant-based sources and supports collagen synthesis, essential for maintaining the structure of muscles and connective tissues. The fiber in sweet potatoes slows sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels and supporting optimal muscle building. It also promotes digestive health, helping your body absorb all the nutrients from your muscle-building foods. Number 21, milk. Our final muscle-building champion brings us full circle to one of nature's most perfectly designed muscle-building beverages. Milk. Whether you choose dairy milk or fortified plant-based alternatives, milk is a powerful addition to your muscle-building toolkit, delivering a unique combination of nutrients that work together to fuel muscle growth and recovery. 1 cup of whole milk provides 8 g of complete protein, containing both whey and casein in the ideal ratio. This means you get the immediate benefits of fast-absorbing whey protein, combined with the slow, steady amino acid release of casein, keeping your muscles in rebuilding mode for hours. The whey protein is especially rich in leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, helping overcome the age-related resistance to building new muscle that many seniors face. Milk is also an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, 2 nutrients crucial for muscle function and often deficient in older adults. The natural sugars in milk, primarily lactose, provide quick energy, making it an ideal post-workout beverage. Research shows that milk consumed after resistance exercise enhances muscle protein synthesis and promotes muscle growth in older adults, even more effectively than many commercial sports drinks. If you're lactose intolerant, lactose-free milk provides the same benefits without digestive discomfort. Fortified plant-based alternatives like soy, pea, or almond milk are excellent options. Just ensure they contain calcium and vitamin D. For maximum muscle-building impact, enjoy milk in these ways. A glass with your post-workout meal. As a base for protein smoothies with fruits and nuts. A warm glass before bed to provide overnight muscle repair nutrients. These 10 powerful foods, eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon and fatty fish, lean beef, cottage cheese, quinoa, lentils and legumes, nuts and seeds, sweet potatoes and milk, are your arsenal against muscle loss. They're not expensive supplements or exotic ingredients. They're real, accessible whole foods that have supported human health for generations. Start where you are and build gradually. Incorporate 1 or 2 foods into your routine this week. Maybe begin your day with eggs and Greek yogurt, or add a serving of salmon to your meal plan. Small, consistent changes compound into dramatic improvements over time. Share this knowledge with friends and family. Muscle loss affects millions of seniors, but with the right strategies, strength, independence, and vitality can be maintained well into later years. If this information was valuable, please like and subscribe for more evidence-based health and nutrition tips specifically for seniors. Your support helps us continue sharing crucial guidance to those who need it most.